Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome BD. In this video, I am going to unbox Red Magic Pad 3 Pro and also sharing some in-depth information of this smart tab. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro comes in two colors option with a 9.06-inch OLED display with 2.4K resolution and 165Hz refresh rate. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset alongside up to 24 GB of RAM and a maximum of 1 TB storage. The tablet is backed by an 8200 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging support. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro runs on Android 15 based Red Magic OS 10.5 and features a 9.06-inch 2.4K with a 165Hz refresh rate up to 1600 nits of peak brightness. The display has a 49mm bezel and offers 5280 high frequency PWM dimming. It is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with Adreno 830 GPU and up to 24 GB LPDDR5T RAM. The tablet offers up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage. On the rear, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro has a 13 megapixel camera. It features a 9 megapixel front camera for capturing selfie and engaging in video chats. It includes an inbuilt PC emulator that runs the tablet into a handheld game console capable of running AAA titles. Connectivity options on the tablet are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and USB Type-C port. So viewers, that's all about Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.